Hello, what's up everybody? Happy Veterans Day. I'm just here in my shop by myself because everybody got the day off on Veterans Day, so we just basically want to say thank you for your service, and pretty much allows us to do what we get to do every day, which is pretty much play Forza in real life. Kind of cool. So kind of like a run through of what we get in a typical week. This is actually a personal truck. This is my personal Raptor right here. We're going to be going through a whole new version 2 of it. So it's going to be getting a matte chrome wrap on it from bumper to bumper. It's going to be getting all new powder coated, you know, of course, suspension. So upper and lower control arms, the actual coilover spring. It's actually going to be getting completely powder coated as well. This portion you see is going to be getting powder coated as well. So it's going to be pretty much an all new version 2 truck. We are going to be doing some cool things I'm not going to talk about right now, but you'll be able to see them whenever they're finished up, and I think you guys will be really impressed. This Nissan Titan just popped in today, so we're actually going to, good client of ours, we've already done some work on the truck. As you can tell, it does have a gloss black roof wrap on it. Of course, we smoked the tail lights out on this one as well. Wheels and tires on it really gave it that new look, but this one's actually about to get a whole new bumper to bumper blue matte wrap on it. So it's gonna look really, really awesome. Whenever you put matte wraps on, matte wraps are obviously to change the gloss appearance on the truck. So it looks really, really good. Obviously it looks a little bit different in different shades of light as well on matte material. But it's gonna be a really, really cool revamp for this truck right here. So got a couple of things going on over here as well in bays 1 and bay 2. So the same client that brought us that Escalade that we just recently did, you'll see that on our previous video. The pearl white with the Milano red actual calipers, and then of course the powder coated wheels. We're gonna be doing the same treatment on his wife's car. The owner actually owns Dent Dog San Antonio, kind of cool. So good business partner of ours. But aside from that car will be finished up probably, it's gonna be a 2-day process on that one. So we fully remove the calipers, fully re-bleed those, of course fill back up with the correct actual, you know, dot fluid that needs to go in it. We'll do a test drive on it, and then that'll be another happy customer. The Lexus, so really good client of ours as well. I keep saying really good clients because the majority of our clients obviously are repeat customers. They don't have 1 vehicle, 2 vehicles, some have multiples, you know, and or they'll upgrade, trade in, and get a different vehicle. So we'll start right back over where we left off. So this one's going to be getting powder coated wheels as well. As you can tell, the clear bra on it's a little bit outdated right here, a little bit damaged. So we're going to be peeling the clear bra off, decontaminating the surface, making sure that it's really, really nice and pretty. And then of course we're going to reapply a new clear bra on it. He's going to get some smoke tail lights on this car as well, give it that kind of finished out look on the rear end. And then of course a full chrome delete on this one as well. He's chosen to go in stages, so we're going to do a couple of treatments now, a couple of treatments in probably within the next month, and it'll be completed. Probably my favorite thing on this one that we're getting though is he's getting front windshield tint. So most people think that that's super overkill, but in Texas it's legal. So we can actually tint the windshield up to 70% on that, and it really, really blocks out the heat. So infrared and UV heat rejection, it's able to really block that out and give you that extra, what can I say, coolness in the summer. So the Audi is actually pretty cool. I want to show y'all guys something though. So the same client I had mentioned, you know, obviously we get clients that purchase vehicles and sometimes they already have a little bit of restyling, customization work already done on it. And some they just try and repair back to normal. So no, we don't do dealership work. We are a full restyling, protection, and branding company in San Antonio. So for us, we basically take issues that people bring in and we fix them. So I'm just gonna kind of show you real quick. Same client, like I mentioned. As you can see on this S6 right here, there's previous wheel repair. So you can see where they actually oversprayed onto the caliper itself rather than removing the wheel off and repairing it that way. They chose to just keep it on and spray on it. Really, really bad. So we're gonna go ahead and revamp the calipers. Those are also gonna be going the same color as the Escalade, as I mentioned before in the previous video. And then of course, again, matching it up with the gloss powder coated wheels. We're gonna be changing the emblems as well. Make sure that that matches and it's all uniform. And then a couple different treatments, as you can tell, right on the windshield. Aside from that, that's pretty much an average week for us. We'll have these cars in and out in a couple of days. Quality work, we always warranty our work as well. And the clients are going to be really, really happy. We're kind of stoked for this one to be uniformed with the rest of his fleet.
Walk downtown, push your bitch to the side. Fake ass hoe bitch, only wanna ride.